This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Wednesday, April 12th. American officials are taking further steps to set rules for AI systems like ChatGPT. The National Telecommunications and Information Administration, NTIA, is asking for public comments on possible regulations that hold AI creators accountable. The measures will ideally help the Biden administration ensure that these models work as promised without causing harm, the NTIA says. While the request is open-ended, the NTIA suggests input on areas like incentives for trustworthy AI, safety testing methods, and the amount of data access needed to assess systems. The agency is also wondering if different strategies might be necessary for certain fields, such as healthcare. Comments are open on the AI accountability measure until June 10th. The NTIA sees rulemaking as potentially vital. There's already a growing number of incidents where AI has done damage, the overseer says. Rules could not only prevent repeats of those incidents, but minimize the risks from threats that might only be theoretical. ChatGPT and similar generative AI models have already been tied to sensitive data leaks and copyright violations, and have prompted fears of automated disinformation and malware campaigns. There are also basic concerns about accuracy and bias. While developers are tackling these issues with more advanced systems, researchers and tech leaders have been worried enough to call for a 6-month pause on AI development to improve safety and address ethical questions. The Biden administration hasn't taken a definitive stance on the risks associated with AI. President Biden discussed the topic with advisors last week, but said it was too soon to know if the technology was dangerous. With the NTIA move, the government is closer to a firm position, whether or not it believes AI is a major problem. And Artifact, the news aggregation app from the creators of Instagram, now has some social features following its latest update. Users can now create profiles and comment on any article in the app. Taking a cue from Reddit, Artifact will let you upvote and downvote other users' comments, which will factor into commentators' reputation scores and help to moderate discussions. The app is also using artificial intelligence for moderation. Artifact says the reputation score represents the earned trust from the community and will help you weigh people's opinions and help us filter out bad behavior. The goal, according to a blog post, is to foster a positive community in which everyone feels encouraged to take part. The app will let you know when your comments get upvotes or downvotes. You'll also be notified when your contacts comment on things they read. You'll need a profile, which is optional, to comment on articles. Profiles can include your photo and bio, adding both will apparently boost your reputation. You'll need to provide a verified phone number to create one. A phone number is also needed if you want to move to a different device and retain your Artifact history and preferences. In a bit of coincidence, Artifact is gaining true social components on the same day that Substack is rolling out its Twitter-esque notes feature. In a sense, the two relative upstarts are trying to take on established social media platforms at their own game. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
SpokenLayer.